Hi, my name is Eric Sampson, and I want to talk a little bit about what patients can do, what people can do at the office in the presence of knee pain. A lot of people are suffering at the office with their knees, and it's usually not just the sitting that is causing all the problems, but rather the degenerative changes that might be occurring with other activity and other sports or recreation that they're doing. But by and large, they're at the office sitting and they're struggling with their knee, they're trying to concentrate on their work. And there's a couple of things you can simply do to alleviate some of the pain. If you have the kind of job where you can get up frequently, I recommend doing so every 20 to 30 minutes, maybe walking around the office. If you have a very busy job or an intense job that you cannot get up that frequently, there are a couple of things you can do literally in sitting, as well as just standing right next to your chair, a quick stretch, and then move right on to your work again. And three that come to mind that are real simple to do are stretching out your knee into extension in the chair, doing some simple knee extension raises, and then doing a quad stretch in standing. So first of all, you have your knee extension stretching in the chair. So if you come to the edge of your seat here and have one leg out straight in front of you and put it on the floor, with your leg straight, there you go. If you take your hands and put them right on top of your knee and push kind of straight down through, you can get a little stretch to the back of your kneecap or the back of the knee itself. And this can be held for about 10 seconds. You can turn it right off and then put the pressure right back on it. It's real simple to do. You don't have to leave your office. And about 2 sets of 10 seconds will do the trick. Another simple one you can do in sitting is if you sit back in your chair and just simply doing some leg raises in the chair. By leg raise, I mean just tightening up your quad muscle and kicking out your leg into extension. Bringing it right back down and then repeat. And then right back down. Maybe 1 set of 10 will do the trick as well. The key is to focus on this extension part as well as the bending part as well. The extension is the key because we tend to spend too much time in the chair with our knee bent. So you really want to focus on the extension component of this. Good. And then lastly, if you come up and stand, is going to be your traditional quad stretch. So if you want to hold the back of the chair and go ahead and grab your ankle. Good. The key with the quad stretch is the technique of it. You want to make sure your legs are close together and your knee is behind the other leg. Good. And then you want to pull your heel up towards your glutes, and you're looking for a moderate stretch right through the front of your thigh. Okay, hold it for a few seconds and you can drop it back down. Good. And you can repeat and do it again one more time. Legs close together, behind you, and then pull. Maybe a few seconds and drop it right back down. Okay? So these are 3 exercises that can be easily performed in the office setting. It doesn't take too much time at all. Maybe space it out during the day, a little bit in the morning, a little bit later in the day, and it really does the trick.